Hello everyone, myself Deepika Joshi, MSc first year, second sem, Sri RLT College of Science, Akola. My seminar topic is Butler-Warmer equation. What is basically Butler-Warmer equation? One of the most fundamental relation between in the study of rate of electrochemical reaction. Whatever the reaction between electrodes and electrolyte उनमें kinetics, rate of charge transfer, rate of current उसका study बटलर वार्मर इक्वेशन में किया जाता है. The reaction occurs on electrode surface involving the following step: diffusion of the reactant to the electrode, absorption of the reactant to the electron, transfer electron from the adsorbed reactant species. In graph, metal solid is converted into the metal ions. The reaction occurs in the cathode reactions, in an anode reaction, and when the metal ion is converted to the metal solid, this is the cathode reaction. Consider an reduction reaction. Metal ion is converted to the metal solid, which will occur when the metal ions are in the near of electrode surface and the electron transfer from the electrode to the ions. The rate constant of the reaction is given by the activated complex theory. K is equal to B e to the power minus del G star by RT, where K is rate constant, del G star is the free energy of activation, B is the constant, B is equal to Kb by T. Consider oxidation reaction. When metal solid is converted into the metal ion, their CO is the oxidized species concentration. Consider reduction reaction. Metal ion is converted into metal solid. Cr is the reduced species concentration. Rate of flow of anodic current IA is equal to Ka Cr, and rate of flow of cathodic current Ic is equal to K into concentration of CO. Rate of flow of charge F is equal to En. Therefore, N is equal to 1. Therefore, F is equal to E. F is a Faraday. E is a electrochemical charge. I is equal to Q by T. Therefore, Ia is equal to F into Ra. Put the value of Ra, we get F into Ka concentration of Cr. C is equal to F into Rc is equal to F Kc concentration of CO. The net current or overall current is given by the difference between the two current. Therefore, I is equal to Ia minus Ic is equal to F Ka concentration of Cr minus F Kc concentration of CO is equal to F Cr. Put the value of K Ba e to the power minus del G star A upon RT minus F into CO Bc e to the power minus del G C by RT. Consider a reduction reaction as the electron is transferred from the one electrode to another electron. Work is equal to E into del phi. Del phi is a potential difference. Let us consider a reduction cathodic reaction. Del G star is equal to del G star plus E into del phi. F is equal to E. Therefore, del G star is equal to del G star plus F into del phi. पुट F इज इक्वल टू E. अगर इसमें नॉन इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन है करें तो ग्राफ में हल्का सा चेंज आएगा. जब मेटल सॉलिड इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मेटल आयंस में कितना एनर्जी लग रहा है? डेल जी स्टार पहले ज़्यादा एनर्जी लग रही थी, अब कम लग रही है. इन रिवर्सिबल प्रोडक्शन मेटल आयनिक इज कन्वर्ट टू मेटल सॉलिड तो ज़्यादा एनर्जी लगेगी. देयरफॉर rate of forward is not equal to rate of backward for non equilibrium condition. Is equal del G star is equal to del G star plus alpha into F del phi. Alpha is a transfer coefficient lies between 0 to 1. There is equal to del G star plus 1 minus alpha F into del phi for anodic. Now put equation 4 in equation number 3. We get I is equal to F into Cr Ba e to the power minus del G star minus 1 minus alpha F del phi upon RT minus F CO Bc e to the power minus del G star minus alpha F into del phi by RT. If the potential difference differ from the equilibrium value by overpotential, overpotential is the difference between the potential difference between equilibrium and non-equilibrium condition. Therefore, del phi in non-equilibrium condition is equal to eta plus del phi equilibrium. Putting the value in equation number 4, we get I is equal to F Cr Ba E into del phi star by RT into E 1 minus alpha F del phi by RT minus F CO Bc e to the power minus del G star by RT E minus alpha F del phi by RT. अब अलग अलग कर ले E की वैल्यू. देयरफॉर I is equal to F Cr Ba e to the power minus del G star by RT E 1 minus alpha F eta by RT e to the power 1 minus alpha F del phi E equilibrium RT minus F CO Bc e to the power minus del G star by RT e to the power minus alpha F eta by RT e to the power minus alpha F del phi equilibrium by RT. Therefore, I equilibrium is equal to I naught. This is a constant. Therefore, I is equal to I equilibrium e to the power 1 minus alpha f eta by rt minus I equilibrium e to the power minus alpha f eta by rt. I equilibrium is equal to I naught. Put in equation number 5. We get I is equal to I naught. Common ले लिया I naught in bracket e to the power 1 minus alpha f eta by rt e to the power minus alpha f eta by rt. This is a Butler-Warmer equation. Thank you.